Alright, good evening, box breakers. JC Collectibles here, bringing you another box break. Tonight we'll be breaking 2011-12 Panini Elite. Consists of 1 box, 20 packs. As you can see, it's a sealed box. Serial number is ending 49930. Okay. And I'll pull up the last auction, as you can see here in the description. Last auction, 49930. Last auction closing was the Winnipeg Jets on March the 15th at 6:23 p.m. Loading live eBay time. Refresh. It is March the 15th. 2015 at 19:03 Pacific Standard Time. Okay. While I open this up, I want to let you guys know that I just posted a 24-hour auction for the last remaining team for the 2011-2012 Rookie Anthology case break, which will happen live on Breakers TV, JC Collectibles, on Wednesday at I think 7:30 p.m. or something along those lines. And also, on my eBay store, you can also find that there are a case of 2011-2012 Panini Elite case break happening on March 28th at the Saturday, so it'll be happening at 1:30 p.m. again, live on Breakers TV. So, a few teams left for both case breaks, so get your team while it's hot. So, all right, let's go ahead and get into it. 20 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And okay, good luck, everyone. Again, this is the beginning of a 2-week box break series. As far as shipment go, I'll be shipping these out a week from Saturday, so if you'd like it shipped earlier, you can always get a hold of me and let me know, and we can work out some details. Base. For the New Jersey Devils, Rookie Stars, Adam Larson. Bases. Decoy, base. And if there's ever any time that you would like tracking on any of your shipments, because I ship standard, just let me know and we can work out some details there too. For the Philadelphia Flyers, Elite Stars, Yammer Yager, base. Base. And for the Ottawa Senators, Colin Greening, serial numbered 171 of 999. Decoy. For the New Jersey Devils, prime numbers, 369 goals for Ilya Kovalchuk. It is not serial numbered. No, correction. It is serial number 292 of 369. It's kind of a hard serial number to see. I'll show you. It's kind of hidden in this jersey, but there it is. Nice set for New Jersey. Bases. And for the St. Louis Blues, Brian Elliott, Aspirations die cut. Base. For the Winnipeg Jets, rookie auto, Carl Klingberg, Not serial number. Base. Decoy. Base. Base. Yep. For the Philadelphia Flyers, Ilya Briskalov, Aspirations die cut. Base. And for the Edmonton Oilers, Elite Series, Taylor Hall and Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. Not focusing very well. Base. For the Colorado Avalanche, Ryan O'Reilly, Aspirations die cut. Base. For the Vancouver Canucks, Jan Sav, rookie, serial number 300 out of 999. Base. Decoy. Base. For the Ottawa Senators, Colin Greening, rookie auto. Base. Base. For the Arizona Coyotes, Ray Whitney, Aspirations die cut. And for the New York Rangers, New Breed, Derek Stepan. Base. Base. For the New Jersey Devils, Patrick Elias, status die cut, numbered 14 of 99. Base. Decoy. Base. For the Detroit Red Wings, Elite Series, Steve Yzerman. Base. Last pack. Good luck, everyone. Base. And for the Anaheim Ducks, Saku Cowboy Koivu, Aspirations die cut. I messed his name up, and I really know how to say his name. Base. Well, that concludes our break. Thanks, everyone. Again, check out the case breaks closing tomorrow night for 2011-2012 Rookie Anthology. Thanks, and have a good night.